Hello. We are back. Yes, you can see I got a bit of a suntan. Haven't been posting in about a week. Been on holiday, that scares thing. Who takes holidays? Anyway, we are back and we are actually at a client's place here where we did a floor. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a product failure, but this client, also a friend of mine, is a mechanic, and his basically center area where he shows his cars and does everything was peeling badly, and it basically failed. We chose a specialized epoxy for the client. We put it on the floor. We've used it before. We've not had any problems apart from now. And what happened was that the product was basically peeling, and it shouldn't be peeling. Some of the areas had just remained sticky forever. We did this about 6 months ago, and if you felt the areas, they were still sticky. The supplier did say they understood, and they did say that there was product failure, so they graciously gave us more product. And like I always say to everybody and my clients, we never leave them in the lurch. So we obviously said to our client, no charge, we're going to come back here and do the floors. The client did say to us that they couldn't move, vehicles and cars, which we understand. So they just wanted us to do the center runway of their factory, which is the majority of the floor, but they didn't want to move the cars. And on top of it, they are going to put rubber matting where they work on the cars, so that when they drop in tools, it's not going to affect, which is a good idea. So we've come in here before Christmas and we applied a specialized bonding agent, and then we put on the first coat with a roller as per supplier's specifications. However, tomorrow we are going to come in here. We are going to apply the final coat with what we usually apply other epoxies with, is called a gauging rake. It is a notched rake that has a squeegee on it. And basically what that does is that it works in microns. So it works in 2,000 microns, which is 2 millimeters, or 1,000 microns, which is 1 millimeter. And what a gauging rake does is you can draw the paint over and it fills in any imperfections while still giving it a thick coat on flat areas. Now, this floor, which is looking absolutely amazing, it's looking beautiful. This is first coats. The client understood that there's nothing we can do about this. If we wanted to, we were going to have to screed this whole area. That's not going to happen. Very expensive to screed. So tomorrow we are going to draw this rake, this gauging rake, over this, and we are going to flatten this entire area out, and it is going to be absolutely amazing. I mean, look at that. It already is looking beautiful.